Hi guys, today we're gonna be making rice, basmati fried rice. And I want to share with you guys how I make my basmati fried rice without sticking or gumming together. Or basmati rice does if you don't cook it well, it does soak in the water. So I just want to share to you guys how I made my basmati rice. So come with me, guys. Okay, first I have my basmati rice here, and I'm using my electric cooker, my rice cooker. It's a rice cooker. It really does help. It helps you cook the rice with the heat and make it more soft, and doesn't stick or soak the waters. So but first I'm going to wash the rice, then we can parboil it. I'm going to wash the rice so we can parboil it. So guys, after washing it's gonna look something like this because I'm not parboiling it. So like this. Now I'll add my salt. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or more. Now I'll add my thyme. I have some curry here. And after that I add some curcuma. Turmeric, yeah. Just a little, because in the curry there's still turmeric there inside. So I just love adding it because I love the flavor and everything. So after this we mix together. Okay. Alright. Then I'll just put it on the cooker so that it will cook. Cover. Nevertheless, it's cooked 15 minutes. Yeah, it's cooked like 10 to 11 minutes, no, 10 to 12 minutes in the cooker for the rice to cook. But I do love to give it some time so that the heat will just finish up the cooking. Okay, next, I love to eat this, or should I say my husband loves to eat this with hamburger. Hamburger. People do eat hamburger in with hamburger bread, but my husband doesn't eat that. He eats it with the rice. I don't know. He loves it. He doesn't like it with the bread, but he loves it with opening it and eating it with the rice. So I'm gonna season the hamburger just with some black pepper. Some curry, sorry, some time. And some curry. Okay, and I'm going to add some salt. And lastly, I love to add some grounded pepper. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven so it will bake for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Yeah. Okay guys, while the rice is cooking and the hamburger is in the oven, I'll start making my vegetable sauce. Which is here. I have my sausage, I have my carrot sliced, I have my sweet corn, I have my green, yellow, and red sweet berries sliced. I have my onions and garlic. And this is empty. No, I'm gonna refill it. Okay, it's not empty anymore. I have my green peas here. I love this green peas so much. If not for cooking soup or any other thing, I really don't miss cooking with this rice. Even sometimes I put it in the beans. It's so delicious. You should try it on. So I have all my ingredients here. And in this sauce, I'm just going to be adding just Maggi cube and salt, because curry, thyme, everything is inside the rice already, so I really don't need adding some in the vegetable sauce. And meanwhile, the rice is cooking. All right, let's make our sauce. Okay, let's start. Okay. I'm going to be using granite oil. Although this same maybe key, but it's granite oil. So just wait a little bit so the pan can warm. So the pan can be warmed, and just add the oil. any amount you like. Okay. So wait for the pan to get hot. Wait for the oil to get hot so we can put our onions and garlic and fry our sausage before we add the rest of the ingredients. Wait. Okay. I guess by now it's hot. Not really hot. Oof. Okay, so just fry for like 2 minutes at least. Okay guys, it has been frying for like 2 minutes now. Yeah. Now we'll add our little sausage. It's chicken sausage first. For the used dishes, go there. So I'll just leave it to fry a little bit because I love frying the sausage. It's still really good if you still have like liver to use, like maybe cow liver or something. But I don't have liver, so, and I've been cooking this so long with this sausage. It's really nice with the sausage. Okay. And over there, the rice is cooking. Let's check it out. Wow. Wow. This is so nice. Okay. Now you still be cooking with the heat, everything while we fry this. Right now we'll add the carrots. Right. Wow. I don't really like frying my carrots so much, but I love when it still has that carrotly sound in the mouth. So I'm just gonna let it fry a little, and next we're adding this. Okay, next I'll be adding this. And also this, I don't like it like overdone. I still like the I still like when it's half done. But it's really nice. Okay. So next I add my salt. Don't forget guys, there's still some salt in the rice, so don't overuse the salt. I add my Maggi cube. It's jumbo. Oh yo. Can you see that? Just put it inside, mama. Okay. Look how colorful that it is. Okay, let's lower it here. Colorful, right? Wow. Okay. Next I'm going to add sweet corn. I don't like to add the sweet corn and the green peas lastly because the sweet corn is already cooked. And then for the green peas, I love it uncooked. You know, when it's uncooked, let me say half cooked. Oh, I just love it when the eyes are gone. I still love it very, very green. So I'm going to add this for the last part, and I'm going to just steam it a little to, you know, take off the eyes inside, and we're done. I'm gonna add this. love this so much. What should we call this? Rainbow vegetables? Steamed rainbow vegetables? Okay. I'm just going to leave it to take off the eyes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, now it's okay like this. So I'll just turn off the heat then medium heat. And check this out. Voila! So I have to transfer the rice in here. This is why I love the heater, the rice cooker. It's cooked it without, look at the way it is. Can you see? Wow. Wow. It's a bit good there. Okay, now we mix together. Can you see that? It's colorful, looking delicious, and trust me, it's extremely delicious. You try this for your kids at home. They'll be like, "Mommy, you have green peas, you have rice, you have so many color." The rice is, should I say it's green or yellow? Orange yellow. Okay, guys, look at, not sticky at all. You know, whenever I want to make fried rice, I do buy this parboiled rice. Like, I thought of it that, why do I have to buy parboiled rice for fried rice and basmati rice for stew rice? I said no, I have to find a little solution. And like this, look at it. And cooking it does not take time. The rice cooked for 15 minutes, and the sauce, you can cook it in the morning, in the afternoon, or even in the night for lunch. Wow. Guys, it's time to taste. Let's taste together. Bismillah. I have to throw it, finish, swallow it before saying anything. It's delicious. My oven is done. I baked it for 15 minutes. guys, so this is my basmati fried rice, non-stinking. It's not sticking together. You can see it yourself. Very delicious and so easy to cook. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay safe, stay out of coronavirus. It's real. Try, share and like, share this video, subscribe to my channel so we can bring you more and more delicious meal. Thank you so much guys. Love you. Take care of yourself. Ciao ciao.